Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you a few different ways that you can market your Shopify store. And I'll also be showing you a few different ways that you can boost the conversion for your Shopify store to help bring in more sales and revenue. I'll be covering ways you can market your products using short form content, and I'll be showing you a section that you can add to your website that can help to increase your conversion rate. Also, I'd like to give a big thanks to PPC Ads for sponsoring this video. Let's get straight into it. One of the first ways that you can help to boost your Shopify store sales would be to create short-form content like TikToks to market and promote your products. You can choose to market organically using content and build your following for your brand. Short pieces of marketing content to promote your products, collections, and even your store in general. They can help you to overall introduce your brand's voice and your brand's identity through your brand's TikTok or Facebook account. And to boost your content and push out your content further, you can take a look at some of your top performing content and run ads on that content to not only promote and drive traffic to your TikTok page, but also to help boost the conversion of your page by helping to turn those new viewers into customers. You can get started by setting up your business page on TikTok or Facebook or whichever marketing platform you're using. And then you'll want to be sure to set up your page by adding your brand's profile image. This is where you can choose to add your brand's logo. Then you can also add a link for your contact or for your brand's email. You can introduce your brand or give a brief overview of what products your brand sells on your page bio as well. And you want to be sure to insert a link leading straight to your brand's website so that all your viewers interested in your products can easily access where to find them. You want to be sure to upload high quality content that clearly shows your products, and you can play around with different content marketing styles to see what type of content helps to promote your products the best. You can make content explaining the type of problem that your product solves. And you can even create must-have style videos where you show a collection of different products that you sell and how they can help to solve a problem in people's lives. Running Facebook or TikTok ads to help push out your content is an excellent way to jumpstart your business page and give your marketing content a boost. One of the main steps you want to take to help give you some direction for what style and format of content you should run as an ad for your business would be to track that market of content ads. Let's say for Facebook ads, you want to have a detailed and reliable source to look at the analytics and insights of other ads that are currently being ran so that you can compare and see what ad style type performs well and also has a high conversion rate. And that's where PPC Ads comes into play. PPC Ads allows you to take an in-depth look at some of the best performing TikTok ads that sellers are running. This can help you to see what style of TikTok ads are performing well and have a high and steady conversion rate. When you open the PPC Ads website, you'll be able to set up your account. And when you click to open your dashboard, you can take a look at an overview at some high-performing ads and also take a look at some of the top products on TikTok. And you can also use the filters to customize the results of the category of products you're looking to study. When you click ads, here you can take a look at some high-performing ads, including Facebook ads and TikTok ads. You can sort by which type of ads you would like to be recommended, and you can filter the ads by the e-commerce platform, as well as the country, language, call to action button, and you'll have more search filters to help you get more customized search results. I'll be filtering by high impressions to take a look at some of the top performing ads. You can filter by the ad products and also the top products. You'll also be able to sort by their different ad categories. And you'll have more sorting options to customize your search results. And when you open a specific ad, you can take a look at more analytics to see the performance of the ad. Here you can see this ad is performing very well on TikTok. And you can also take a look at the start date and the end date of the ad. And you can also sort by top products if you specifically want to see some of the top selling items. Here you can take a look at the ad's impressions, how many ads it's ran, and the growth rate of the ad. Then you can sort by new products to take a look at the rate for the ads that were just recently ran. You can sort to check out some of the top advertisers and top stores for inspo to take a look at what some of these specific store niches are doing for their ad marketing. Then you can sort to take a look at some TikTok Shop products and stores on TikTok Shop. If you're looking to dropship, this can also help you define product niche ideas. And this way you can take a look at which ads are performing well based on the category of products. Studying the popular and high conversion ads of products in a similar category or niche to the products you'll be selling is a great way to get inspo for your ad. PPC Ads is the platform to help you easily do that research. You can use my link in the description box to get 20% off your subscription. For the next tip that can help to boost your conversion of your Shopify store, potential customers can be more likely to purchase a product if you're offering a first customer discount or even some form of sign-up discount. One of the best ways that you can do this with your Shopify store would be to add an email list sign-up to your website. This will allow you to help build your email list, and you can add a discount call to action to your email sign-up. For example, you can let your customers know that they can get 10% off when they join your email list. This can help to increase their likelihood of joining your email sign-up and also purchasing a product. And it also allows you to help build your email list so that you can have a customer base to send your promotions and shop updates to in the future. To add this section to your Shopify store, here on Shopify, you're going to want to click Online Store. Then you can go in to customize your currently published theme. You can determine where on your homepage you would like to feature your email sign-up. You can choose to add it to the top of your website or midway. In between sections, I'm going to click Add Section, and here I'll be inserting an email sign-up. Here you'll have a few different editing options. You can choose to change the section color scheme. You can select if you would like to make the section full width or not, and also if you would like to increase or reduce the section padding. Then I'm going to click on this heading text section, and here's where you can type in your call to action to let your customers know that they can receive a discount for joining your email list. You can select to edit the heading size, and you can also select if you would like to put this text in bold, italic, and you can also insert a link leading to a specific page or collection in your website. Then you can click on the subheading, and here you can describe more about the offer or about the benefits your customers can receive when they join your email list. When you select this text, you'll have the option to adjust the text size. And you can also choose to put this text in bold, italic, and you can also choose to insert bullet lists or numbered lists if you would like to list off multiple benefits your customers can receive by joining your email list. And that's how to add an email sign-up to your website to encourage your potential customers to join your email list. You can also choose to feature an email list at the bottom of your website on your footer bar. You'll just want to click on your footer bar section. Then under email sign-up, you'll be able to select to display your email sign-up. And you could also retitle this heading text that is above the email sign-up. By the way, if you are interested in this website I'm showing, this is one of my Shopify theme templates. I have a variety of Shopify theme templates designed for many types of businesses. These will help to give your business that professional look and layout without you having to spend a ton of time creating your website from scratch. If you're not too familiar with Shopify templates, after your order, you're going to receive the theme in a zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to publish it and edit it to fit your business. I have Shopify themes for skincare and beauty businesses, and I also have some for clothing and dropshipping businesses. There is a step-by-step installation guide included to walk you through how to install the Shopify theme into your store. And most of my themes are template bundles that also include logo templates, brand kit templates, and more. I will link this Shopify theme template in the description box below, along with where you can go shop my other Shopify themes. And next, to set up that automatic email that you'll be sending with a discount, here on Shopify, I'm going to click Discounts. And when you click Add Discount, you'll be able to begin setting up your discount or your coupon code. For the discount type, I'll be doing amount off products. And here I'll be typing in the name of the code. Then you can type in the discount percentage. You can select if you would like this discount to apply to specific collections or specific products. And you can also set a couple more settings for this discount. Then I'm going to save this discount. Next, I'm going to click Marketing. Then you can click Create Campaign. I'm going to select Shopify Email. Then when you get to this page, Shopify has a variety of free emails that you can open and customize, then set to send out to your customers. You can choose to make an announcement email, and also emails for holidays and occasions. I'm going to select one of these emails. You'll be able to preview the email. Then you'll be able to begin customizing the email. And you may also be able to select which products or collections you would like to feature on your email. Here you can type in the subject line for the email. You can write in the email preview text. And you want to be sure to mention that new 10% off discount code that you just set up for your store. Then here you'll be able to select which customers you would like to send this email to. For an example, you want to select email subscribers. This way you know that this email will automatically get sent to your new email subscribers. Then you want to save this email, and you can also choose to send yourself a test of this email. And that's how to set up an automated email to get sent out to your email list members. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the sections, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.